Fentanyl is killing young people and adults here in Southern California at horrific rates.
And tonight, a new warning from the LA County Health Department. Beware of the drugs you purchase at pharmacies in Mexico. KCAL News reporter Tom Waite in the newsroom with details for us. Tom?
Hey, good evening once again to you, Juan and Pat. The health department issued this warning after an LA Times investigation. Doctors say tainted pills from Mexican pharmacies, it's not a new problem, but the issue is becoming more deadly because of fentanyl. A new alert about fentanyl, the opioid that kills on average 18 people a day in California. The LA County Public Health Department warning there is a new source of the deadly drug here, visitors to Mexico unknowingly bringing it back. The warning is based on an LA Times investigation. According to their report, pills reporters purchased at dozens of pharmacies in Mexico in popular tourist destinations like Tijuana tested positive for fentanyl, ecstasy, and methamphetamine.
We just went in and asked for pills over the counter without a prescription. Specifically, we mostly asked for Percocet and Adderall. And in the places that would agree to sell them without a prescription, we then brought them back and brought them back to our hotel and tested them using test strips. There's at-home test strips that you can get online. And some of them we also had tested at a lab.
Doctors say tainted drugs from Mexican pharmacies has been an issue for a long time. Fentanyl has made the situation even more dangerous.
So I think a lot of the pills that are purchased in other countries are also used recreationally. They're not medicines that are necessary or prescribed by a doctor. They're used for fun or to feel good or to get high. The problem is it can have different kinds of medications in it, like fentanyl, and it can have the wrong doses in it, and this can be deadly.
Dr. Angelique Campen says if you cross the border to buy medication to save money, you could be putting yourself in harm's way.
There's a reason that medications from other countries cost less. It's because they have less bureaucracy or oversight over them.
For parents in LA, the accessibility to these potentially deadly drugs is a constant worry.
Being vigilant is an understatement. At this particular point, you have to be your own law enforcement when it comes to these things, because kids will tell you anything they think you want to hear. And if you don't pay attention to what they're not saying when they are saying things, you're going to run into a bigger issue.
Jonathan Solomon is describing his battle to protect his high school-aged children from drugs. Solomon says he found out firsthand that illegal pharmaceuticals were being bought and sold at his daughter's private high school.
A lot of parents don't know that it's going on, and unfortunately, a lot of schools are very blind, and they don't want to have that conversation with parents because of the liability issue.
The LA County Health Department says due to fentanyl, they are seeing people overdose and die the first time they try an illicit substance or counterfeit pill. Pat?
Thank you so much, Tom.